Hi everybody, today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest macaroni factories in the world. Step into the cutting-edge world of a modern macaroni factory, where innovation meets tradition in a symphony of efficiency and precision. Today, we're not just observing the process of making macaroni, we're diving deep into the automated systems that transform simple ingredients into one of the world's most beloved foods. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. As dawn breaks over the industrial landscape, the factory hums to life with a sense of purpose. The legacy of macaroni production dates back to ancient times, with early references to pasta-like food in ancient Greece and Rome. However, it was in Italy, particularly in the southern regions, where macaroni truly evolved into the form we recognize today. The earliest forms of macaroni were like simple tubular shapes, made by hand and dried under the Mediterranean sun. These shapes were practical, easy to dry, and stored, making them ideal for long journeys and military campaigns. During the Middle Ages, macaroni and other pasta shapes spread throughout Italy, with each region developing its unique variations and recipes. In the bustling streets of Naples, street vendors sold macaroni to hungry passers-by, a precursor to the modern macaroni. The invention of the pasta-making machine in the 18th century by Cesare Spadaccini, a chef to the King of Naples, marked a significant turning point. This invention allowed for more consistent shapes and sizes, making macaroni more accessible to the masses. By the 19th century, macaroni had crossed the Atlantic with Italian immigrants, becoming a beloved staple in American households.
In the hallway! It's the cheesiest! White cheddar man!
Not cheese and macaroni man?
I'm new. Kraft white cheddar, cheese and macaroni man.
Join me for lunch, Super Son?
Indeed.
Introducing Kraft Mild White Cheddar Macaroni and Cheese. With lots of mild white cheddar, it's the cheesiest too.
Start with our golden macaroni made from special durum wheat. Boil for 7 minutes. Drain and add the flavor of sharp aged cheddar. Kraft makes it all so easy. Now take credit for a home-cooked family favorite that costs only pennies a serving. No wonder it's America's favorite packaged dinner. Kraft Macaroni and Cheese. A great idea for good cooks on a budget.
The Industrial Revolution further transformed macaroni production, introducing automated processes that could produce large quantities quickly without sacrificing quality. Now, let's dive into the modern automated process of making macaroni. The journey of macaroni begins with carefully selecting the finest durum wheat. Advanced sorting machines inspect and select the best grains in the factory, ensuring consistent quality. Once selected, the wheat is transported to state-of-the-art milling facilities where it's cleaned and ground into semolina flour. This automated process increases efficiency and maintains the high standards set by generations of macaroni makers. Interesting fact: the milling process is highly efficient, producing 1 pound of semolina flour from approximately 1.1 pounds of durum wheat. In the heart of the factory, mixing tanks blend semolina flour with water to create the perfect dough. This step is crucial, as the correct ratio of water to flour is essential for the dough's consistency. Automated kneading machines then take over, mimicking the traditional hand kneading process, but with unmatched precision and speed. This ensures the gluten network is properly developed, giving macaroni its desired texture. Inside, the mixing and kneading process is carefully monitored by sensors and computers, adjusting parameters in real time to achieve optimal results. Quiz time! What is essential to achieve the correct consistency of the dough in the mixing process? A. Adding sugar. B. The correct ratio of water to flour. C. Using a specific type of salt. D. The temperature of the water. Post your answer in the comments. With the dough ready, it's time for shaping. This is where the magic of automation truly shines. Extrusion machines equipped with custom dies to shape the dough into various forms of short pasta, including the classic elbow macaroni, spirals, and shells. Each shape is crafted with exacting precision to meet culinary standards. The factory can produce multiple shapes simultaneously, thanks to its advanced machinery. After shaping, the macaroni enters the drying phase. This step is vital for ensuring the pasta's shelf life and quality. In our factory, pasta is dried in large climate-controlled chambers, where temperature and humidity are meticulously regulated. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on the type of pasta being produced. Once dried, the pasta is automatically sorted and packaged. High-speed packing machines ensure each package is sealed perfectly and ready for distribution to stores worldwide. While the focus is on efficiency and quality, environmental sustainability is also a key priority. The factory utilizes renewable energy sources and implements water recycling systems to minimize its ecological footprint. Sustainable packaging solutions are also in place, aligning with global efforts to reduce plastic waste. Leading macaroni manufacturers aim to reduce CO2 emissions and water usage significantly by adopting green technologies and practices. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of macaroni. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.